Hey guys, so it's time to pick the winner of the GearBest 4th anniversary giveaway. And just to remind you guys, if you didn't see the original giveaway video, there's a sale going on at GearBest right now. It's running, actually it's going on currently right now and until April the 9th, and there's a lot of good deals. I'm going to put 2 links in the description to the sale, and you guys can check out what kind of deals they've got. They got lots of good stuff on sale right now, and you probably, if you've been following my channel, you've seen some of the stuff on my Twitter and also in the community post section, and there probably will be some more coming in the coming days, so stay tuned. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select a winner from the comment section, as I mentioned before in the previous video on the rules. I'm going to check to see if you guys are a subscriber, and I'm going to select one winner, and if that winner doesn't contact me within 24 hours, I will select the next alternate. And in fact, I've known from previous giveaways that these winners they never seem to come back and check to see if they won or not. They just leave comments and then they disappear. I'm going to select 3 alternates, so 4 people. And so I'm going to select the first person will be the winner, then alternate 1, alternate 2, alternate 3. And from the publication of this video, the winner has 24 hours to contact me. And if they don't, then I'm going to move on to the next person, and then they have 24 hours to contact me, etc., etc. I'm going to update the description. If the winner does contact me within 24 hours, then I'll obviously update the description so the alternates can know that someone has claimed their prize. However, if the winner doesn't claim the prize within 24 hours, I will update the description saying so, and then the next person, alternate number 1, will be up, and then if they don't claim it, then alternate number 2 will be up, etc. So hopefully that'll be enough people, and one of those guys will end up contacting me and claiming the prize. And I'll go ahead and I'll put my email address up on the screen right here, and that's the way you can contact me. So the winner has 24 hours to contact me at that email address, and if they don't, then obviously I'll move on to the next person. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and select the winner. Go ahead and we'll load the comments from the video. And remember, they should only have 1 comment. Multiple comments will be disqualified. And then we'll go ahead and select the winner now. So the winner is Simon Chan, 1 comment. Let's go ahead and check his channel. And we'll see if he has his subscriptions public. And he does. And let's see if I'm there. And there I am. So, okay. So that's confirmed. That's Simon Chan is the winner. You have 24 hours to contact me. And then now I will select an alternate. Alternate number 1. Paul Rogers. Let's check if he's a subscriber. Yep, and there I am. So if he's a subscriber, so Paul, you are the alternate number 1 in case Simon does not contact me. And we'll select alternate number 2, Spawn BE. And looks like no way to check if he has a subscribed to my channel or not. So he is disqualified. So we'll select a second alternate number 2. Omni After Dark's World. And let's look at his subscriptions. He has a lot of subscriptions. There's Andy. Keep on going. There I am. Okay. So Omni After Dark's World is alternate number 2. And one last alternate here, Owen Knight. Okay, so there I am. So Owen Knight is the 3rd alternate. So again, just to reiterate, if the winner doesn't contact me, then I'm going to move down to Paul, and then he has 24 hours. And then I'll move on to Omni if he doesn't contact me. And then hopefully it won't go that far, but Owen, if you're super lucky, you might get contacted. So be on the alert. Just check the description of the video, and I will update when someone does claim the prize. Anyway, guys, I appreciate everyone for ending the giveaway. I'll have another one soon. I am kind of toying around with the idea of maybe starting a Patreon and doing, and then I've been discovering that a lot of channels have Patreon to do more giveaways, and maybe having a Patreon will get vendors to send me more stuff to do more giveaways. I don't know. It's just a suspicion of mine. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you think that's a good idea, if that actually works or not. I honestly don't know. I haven't really been looking into Patreon too much, but I've been getting a lot of feedback from some of my subscribers saying that I should start one because everyone else has one, and why not? Why don't you? And maybe that would be a good way to do more giveaways for the sort of the big fans of the channel. Anyway, guys, appreciate all of the support out there, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.